Welcome, innovators and sustainability enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring a revolutionary concept, converting water into cooking gas. Yes, you heard that right. We'll break down how this process works, its potential impact, and the latest advancements in this cutting-edge technology. If you're excited to learn how water could power your kitchen, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more futuristic insights. The concept relies on splitting water molecules, H2O, into hydrogen, H2, and oxygen, O2, using electrolysis. Hydrogen can then be used as a clean and efficient cooking fuel. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, hydrogen burns without releasing harmful emissions. Have you heard about hydrogen-based cooking solutions? Share your initial thoughts in the comments. Advances in electrolyzer technology are making this idea more feasible. Modern systems are compact, energy efficient, and can be integrated into home setups. Plus, renewable energy sources like solar panels can power these systems, making the process sustainable. Would you consider adding a renewable-powered electrolyzer to your home? Let us know in the comments. Initially, hydrogen-based systems may seem expensive compared to traditional gas stoves. However, over time, they can save money by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering energy bills. The environmental benefits alone make it a worthwhile investment. What's your take on balancing upfront costs with long-term savings? Share your opinion below. Countries like Japan and Germany are already piloting hydrogen-powered cooking systems. These projects are demonstrating their potential to revolutionize kitchens worldwide. Imagine a future where every home produces its own cooking fuel from water. Do you know of any projects or countries pioneering hydrogen cooking tech? Drop them in the comments. Despite its promise, there are challenges like high energy requirements for electrolysis and storage solutions for hydrogen. However, ongoing research is addressing these hurdles, aiming to make hydrogen cooking mainstream. The future looks bright for this technology. What challenges do you think need to be overcome for hydrogen cooking to become widespread? Share your insights. Converting water to cooking gas isn't just a concept. It's a glimpse into a sustainable future. Thank you for watching and exploring this fascinating technology with me. If this video sparked your interest, give it a thumbs up and share it with others passionate about innovation. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking ideas. See you in the next video.